Let's hit the beach. Let's hit the beach. Let's hit the beach.
Okay, guys. I don't know about you, but I am ready to party. Let's celebrate around the world now.
Hey, my June birthday peeps. Happy birthday to you. I thought I'd do something a little different this time for June birthdays, and we could just visit the beach. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your two flowers, the rose and the honeysuckle. Check the captions for more info. Have a great month.
Loving my luck and the pictures I took. You'll find me under the disco ball. We're here to celebrate, 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 celebrate. Celebrate, 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 celebrate. Celebrate, 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 celebrate. We're here to celebrate, 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 celebrate. Agenda's taking over. Ow. So get on in, I'll be your chauffeur. Party, pride, and liberty. Let us drive the history. So ride with me, and I will show ya. We're raising our flags, cause we wanna be free. And the people who know,
Happy birthday
yeah,
from the Grow Girl.
Loving